everybody.
Hi. Sorry, what do I do?
Hello everybody. We're here with another travel video. This time, we're joined by a special guest, Toki Niane. Hey guys, how's it going? So, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, my name's Andy. I run the channel Toki Niane, and I make videos about Nagano, and I create and stream Japanese lessons. Check me out.
That's right, he makes very interesting videos about Nagano. We'll have links to him down below. Please check him out. And where are we today, boys? All right, go ahead. You can say interesting things now.
Matsumoto, as you see here, ducks. Legends say these ducks come from Tokugawa's first pet duck.
What legend says that? I've never heard that legend before.
It's in this book.
Check out the fish.
Have you ever eaten koi?
You can eat them?
You can.
Let's try right now. I've ducked pizza before. Pretty good.
Duck pizza. Check out that castle though.
Oh, look. They're still constructing it?
Yeah, it's still being built.
Still being built.
Takes a long time. Whoa.
Dude, the guy's holding a pigeon.
Look, guy's holding a pigeon. Wow.
Just came up to him, dog.
He's the pigeon whisperer.
It's a pigeon.
That's actually really cool.
That's super cool.
So, Tech, have you ever been into a castle in Japan?
I have. I've been to Osaka Castle and
Castle.
Nijojo. Yes.
Nijojo.
Nijojo, like JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Dude, he's eating leaves.
Is he?
He is actually.
Leaves.
I spit it out.
Like, no.
That wasn't what I wanted.
Legends say that's Oda Nobunaga's first pet koi.
You know a lot of legends.
There's many here.
He studies Japanese history.
I see.
Legends say. I'll stop. People actually say Luffy was born here.
Monkey D. Luffy?
Go up to there, at the very top. That's where all the people are.
Oh, you're right. You can kind of see people up there.
Takes probably 30 minutes to get up there.
Legends say there used to be a diving board up there. So when the new emperor was inaugurated, he would take a ceremonial dive.
It's only like this deep.
Probably not very good for diving.
Okay.
They didn't know how deep it was. This is
Related.
the Japanese Alamo.
In what way?
During the Sengoku Jidai, the Matsumotans. 300 of them.
Wait. Are you saying that people from Matsumoto are called Matsumotans?
Yeah.
What are people from Nagano called?
The Ganoites.
Naganoite.
Naganins?
Naganins.
Naganins?
Naganoites.
Are we going in or are we skipping it? All right. How much does it cost?
16 more people, it's 550 yen.
Well, there's 16 people
16
around
more
us.
people.
So you're saying we need to find 16 people so that we can enter the castle for cheap.
Yeah, save 60 whole yen. I think this is the actual gate. Front gate over here.
Oh, this
Like-
is the front gate.
The official front gate?
Yeah. This was for the lower club members, you know? You had to climb tiers to get into the castle back in the day.
Okay, so what are the different tiers?
First tier is like the
Oh, there's a heron.
the heron group. So
What? How did you think of that?
I
Wow.
don't know. They're just tier 1 was like rat tier.
Rat tier?
Yeah.
And the rat tier people can't come in. Let's go through this big gate.
highest tier is Tokugawa Plus.
Tokugawa Plus.
Yeah. In Texas, you know, you tie your horse here.
Just like Texas.
Yeah.
What do you think of these triangle holes there? Is that like if you have a triangle head?
Either that or, you know, keep out the circles.
No circles allowed here in Matsumoto
here.
Castle.
Pairs only.
Ooh, there's a sign here. We've got some Japanese for you to read, Tex.
Okay, let's see.
Teach us about Matsumoto Castle.
Nushi, cow. Cow's udder gate.
Because this is cow. This kanji here. This one's cow.
This is the rain that falls on the gate. A rough translation, just reading this, a lot of kanji, so I understand if you don't know a lot of it. But apparently, this gate was built by about 5 cows.
Yes, tell us more about Matsumoto
Alright,
Castle.
so alleged have it that these cows, they were smart, right? So these cows met Tokugawa and they're like, hey, what's up? And he's like, what? Talking cows. They're like, we're not just cows, we're from Amaterasu. You know, from the books.
She knows.
Tokugawa met these cows, built this gate. The castle was already there.
Oh, hey, you know what? There's English right here.
Oh, let's read the English. The bell and drum, which were kept in the tower, were used to relay a variety of signals, like dinner time, lunchtime, time to go to bed. For the people of the town.
Those are the signals. It's important. It's very important. Anything cool happening here?
Guys, pigeon on the sign.
That's surprising to you? There's a pigeon on the sign?
That means.
Watch out for their poop.
Oh, double moat.
Double moat all the way across the sky. What do you think of Matsumoto City compared to Nagano?
It seems a little more busy, actually. More people. I found something interesting while we were looking in Matsumoto.
What'd you find?
I found English for you.
Oh, it's English for you. Let's go to work. Let's teach him English.
Yeah, let's go.
You're looking a little casual. I'm not sure if you can teach him that.
It's casual Sunday.
Casual Sunday. All right. Oh, I've actually never been there, but it looks like we can't go.
Yeah, let's close.
Oh well. Next time.
Next time?
There's a really cool statue here in Matsumoto.
Statue?
This is why we've been calling this place the Frog Street. Because of this
what?
thing here.
Whoa! There's three. It's a Naruto
Yeah,
frog.
it's going up there.
Whoa! Can you touch it? They say Naruto himself wrote this frog. Is this paper mache?
There's another one over here.
Oh, is this a snail?
I think it's a frog, yeah.
Traveling frog.
Traveling frog?
Well, he has a bag.
He does have a bag.
I guess so. But this
Frogs all around it too.
What?
This frog.
Little ones.
Oh, on the ground?
Yeah.
Like real ones? Oh, it's a stone one.
Little ones back here.
Nice.
Hey, little frog.
Where's the real frogs? Can you get like pet frogs?
How many do you want?
I don't know, like 3.
Okay. Should we
Put
eat
'em-
them too?
If they misbehave. Get this. Have a frog
Yeah.
that could go to work for you. Like, oh, I'm sick. You know, I'm sending my replacement. That'd be pretty cool.
Why what? That's the first thing that comes to your head? You're gonna buy a frog so they can work for you?
Frogs are pretty smart, I guess.
Andy's dead over here, so he can't even stand up.
Yeah. You know, some days you need to take a break.
Why would a frog take your place?
No one could tell the difference.
This is where I'm hung up on. Do you think you look like a frog?
Yeah, is that what you're saying? Are you saying you look like a frog?
If you like, you know those fake glasses with the mustaches?
Yeah.
Have a beard, put a beard on a frog, hey. It's a difference, right? Frogs are like chameleons, they can change their color, right?
No, that's not chameleon.
They can change.
Okay,
look like you.
wait. Even if they could change their color, that's not the problem here.
Okay, so
nice.
what y'all don't understand is
That's a big frog.
you make a recording of your voice and a tape recorder, tape it on the frog. So people are like, this is a frog, but then it goes like, hi, I'm Tex. And I'm like, oh wait, no, it's Tex.
It's time to learn English.
Let's learn English. Hey.
Wow. Good luck with that. Hopefully we can find some frogs to buy.
I hope so.
Yeah.
It's the frog town.
Oh, good.
That's what it says on the...
Kaidu no Machi.
Ooh, we
Wow.
made it. Welcome to Matsumoto City. You guys look so comfortable.
We're friends.
We're friends. Down the street we go.
You know what'd be crazy? Every store is run by a frog.
That would be
Like
pretty
you're sitting there, but like if you try to take something, the tape recorder on the wall is like,
I mean, that's some Spirited Away stuff right there. Yeah, that'd be pretty crazy.
Why do all of the frogs in your head have tape recorders?
how else do they
How else they communicate?
Yeah,
Gotta have tape recorders.
they have to, man.
Is that a frog? Wait. We gotta stop and look at this thing.
There's actual
So
frogs?
these are all frogs, right? What is this thing? What is this?
Hi, I'm Tex.
It looks like Tex. See that face? Little Tex face going on there?
Dude, that frog moves. See? See, that's how it teaches English. See? See? Hello? Eh? See? It works. My name is Tex. I'm here to teach you English today.
I guess Tex never has to go to work ever again.
It's exactly what you needed.
It's perfect. I just sat at home.
We thought he was joking, but apparently this is possible.
Yeah.
For real?
Oh, this says if you drink
Oh,
this,
really?
you'll get young again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's probably what that sign says.
It really does. It says
It says young.
Wakagairi.
Oh, you're right.
No,
Yeah, you're right. I'm just. Yeah, you're right.
So?
Baka this. I'll drink some.
Look at this. Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Look, that guy just drank it. No joke.
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't. No, he
Totally did.
Oh, so you put it on and it gets rid of wrinkles.
Do I look younger?
You do, yeah. You look great. How's it taste?
Like water?
Wow. I
Pretty
wouldn't
good.
have guessed.
It's very water. Get in there, Tex.
Very well. What happened?
It tasted salty, dog.
It does taste salty, actually.
Does it really?
It actually does taste kind of salty. So I just did a festival here where I was carrying around Nomikoshi 2 weeks ago, and I released a video, well, about a week ago if you're watching this now. But anyway, check that out on my channel. Thanks.
Yeah, Nico. We got the last ones. Yay!
That's right. Yes.
Oh, really? Please follow me.
Follow you? Is this yours? Personal Instagram?
So, yes.
Okay.
すみません。はい、アップルシナモンたい焼き一つ。はい。Oh my, oh really good. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please check out our others. Bye bye.